Welcome back to Sam Tech. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible innovations and technological advancements that are reshaping the world around us. From breakthroughs in artificial intelligence to the latest in renewable energy solutions, we'll explore how these cutting-edge developments are driving industries forward and creating new opportunities. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling precision medicine and personalized treatments. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and predict patient outcomes, allowing doctors to tailor treatments to individual needs. This approach not only improves patient outcomes but also reduces costs, making healthcare more efficient and accessible. The rollout of 5G networks is set to revolutionize communication and connectivity across the globe. With faster speeds and lower latency, 5G enables the seamless operation of smart devices, autonomous vehicles, and IoT systems. This next-generation technology is opening up new possibilities for industries ranging from telecommunications to healthcare, enhancing productivity and innovation. The energy sector is witnessing a shift towards sustainability with groundbreaking innovations in renewable energy. From floating solar farms to offshore wind turbines, these technologies are making clean energy more accessible and affordable. As businesses and governments invest in renewables, they are not only reducing their carbon footprint but also driving economic growth and job creation. Quantum computing is poised to revolutionize industries by solving complex problems that are currently beyond the reach of classical computers. This emerging technology has the potential to transform fields such as cryptography, drug discovery, and financial modeling. As quantum computing continues to advance, it will unlock new possibilities for innovation and economic growth. Autonomous vehicles are transforming the transportation industry, offering safer, more efficient, and eco-friendly travel options. With advances in AI and sensor technology, self-driving cars, trucks, and drones are becoming a reality. These vehicles are set to reduce traffic accidents, lower emissions, and revolutionize logistics, making transportation smarter and more sustainable. Blockchain technology is making supply chains more transparent, secure, and efficient. By providing an immutable ledger of transactions, blockchain enables businesses to track products from origin to destination with unparalleled accuracy. This transparency reduces fraud, improves traceability, and builds trust between suppliers, manufacturers, and consumers. Biotechnology is transforming agriculture by developing genetically modified crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and environmental stresses. These innovations are helping farmers increase yields, reduce reliance on chemical pesticides, and ensure food security in the face of climate change. By embracing biotech, agriculture is poised to meet the growing global demand for food. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, businesses are turning to advanced cybersecurity solutions to protect their data and systems. AI-powered threat detection, encryption technologies, and zero-trust architectures are helping companies safeguard their operations against cyber attacks. Investing in cybersecurity is crucial for businesses to maintain trust and ensure long-term growth. The rise of smart homes is transforming how we live, making our daily routines more convenient, energy efficient, and secure. IoT devices such as smart thermostats, lighting systems, and security cameras allow homeowners to control their environment remotely. These innovations not only enhance comfort but also reduce energy consumption and improve home security. Space exploration is entering a new era, driven by innovations in rocket technology, satellite deployment, and space tourism. Companies like SpaceX are making space more accessible, enabling the launch of new missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. These advancements are not only expanding our understanding of the universe but also opening up new opportunities for scientific research and commercial ventures. Artificial intelligence is transforming customer service by enabling businesses to offer personalized, 24/7 support through chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-driven tools can handle routine inquiries, process orders, and resolve issues in real time, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. This enhances the customer experience and increases efficiency. Advanced manufacturing techniques, such as additive manufacturing, 3D printing, are revolutionizing how products are designed and produced. These technologies allow for rapid prototyping, customization, and on-demand production, reducing waste and lead times. By adopting additive manufacturing, companies can innovate faster and bring products to market more efficiently. Wearable technology is enhancing health and wellness by providing real-time data on physical activity, heart rate, sleep patterns, and more. Devices such as smartwatches and fitness trackers enable individuals to monitor their health and make informed lifestyle choices. These innovations are also being integrated into healthcare systems, allowing for remote monitoring and early detection of health issues. As environmental awareness grows, businesses are turning to sustainable packaging solutions to reduce waste and carbon emissions. Innovations such as biodegradable materials, recyclable packaging, and minimalistic designs are helping companies meet consumer demands for eco-friendly products. Sustainable packaging not only benefits the environment but also enhances brand reputation and customer loyalty. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing education by enabling personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. AI-driven platforms can assess a student's strengths and weaknesses, providing customized lessons and feedback. This approach enhances learning outcomes, making education more effective and accessible for all. E-commerce is being transformed by AI and big data, enabling businesses to offer personalized shopping experiences, optimize supply chains, and predict consumer trends. These technologies allow retailers to better understand their customers, increase sales, and improve operational efficiency. As e-commerce continues to grow, AI and big data will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of retail. Smart grids are revolutionizing the energy sector by enabling real-time monitoring and management of electricity flow. These systems use AI and IoT to optimize energy distribution, reduce outages, and integrate renewable energy sources. Smart grids not only make energy systems more efficient but also support the transition to a more sustainable and resilient energy infrastructure. Thank you for tuning into Sam Tech. We hope this video gave you a glimpse into how innovation and technology are shaping our world and creating new opportunities across industries. If you found this content insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Join us next time as we continue to explore the technologies that are driving the future. See you soon.
We'll be right back.